Magic Showerhead. On a hot day, it's hard to imagine anything more refreshing than a cool shower in the open. Magic Showerhead is a portable, compact device that allows anyone to enjoy a shower outside if you have a backyard, even if it's a small one and there's no room for a real shower. At first sight, the construction looks like a wooden platform measuring 70 by 55 centimeters. It weighs about 10 kilograms. The number of heads can vary from 2 to 11. It's noteworthy that the shower is fully automatic and it activates when the user stands on the platform.